Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell dogs on Binance. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Also, I'm going to leave a link with a $100 bonus for Binance signing up in the description below. Now on Binance, you want to go to your wallets, and on the spot, you can go and search and you will see your dogs right there. Now, as you can see, I can only buy and deposit it from here. And I can also go ahead on spot. And for example, once I am here, dogs USDT, you can go ahead and sell dogs just like so. So you enter the amount of dogs you want to sell. And after that, you're going to click sell dogs. Another option would be to go ahead to convert option. And from convert, you want to, for example, search for dogs. And you can convert it to any coin you like. So for example, maybe USDC. This is another way how you can go ahead and convert dogs and sell them to some other coin. So these are the ways how you can sell dogs, either on spot or converted. On P2P market, dogs are not available, so there's only option to do this. You can also go ahead and just withdraw dogs and withdraw them to some other exchange, maybe just like so. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.